Top 10 Natural Wonders of the World. Nature has created some incredible places on Earth. Places so massive, so powerful, and so beautiful that they seem almost impossible to believe. From towering mountains and endless canyons to giant waterfalls and colorful underwater worlds, these natural wonders remind us how extraordinary our planet truly is. Today, we're counting down 10 of the greatest natural wonders on Earth. Let's begin. 10. Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone is one of the most unique places on the planet. Located primarily in Wyoming, this massive national park sits above a giant volcanic system that continues to shape the landscape today. The park is famous for its colorful hot springs, powerful geysers, and geothermal activity. Old Faithful, one of the world's most famous geysers, regularly shoots boiling water high into the air. But Yellowstone is much more than geothermal wonders. It is also home to vast forests, rivers, lakes, and incredible wildlife, including bison, wolves, bears, and elk. Few places combine so many natural phenomena in a single location. Number 9. The Great Barrier Reef. Stretching for more than 2,300 kilometers along Australia's coastline, the Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system on Earth. Visible from space, this underwater world contains thousands of reefs and islands. The colors are extraordinary. Bright coral formations provide a home for countless species of fish, turtles, rays, and marine life. The reef represents one of the most biologically diverse ecosystems on the planet. Its sheer size and beauty make it one of the greatest natural wonders ever discovered. Unlike most places on this list, the Northern Lights are not a location. They are a phenomenon. A spectacular display of light dancing across the night sky. The lights appear when charged particles from the sun interact with Earth's atmosphere. The result is an incredible display of green, purple, pink, and blue waves moving through the darkness. Countries like Iceland, Norway, Finland, and Canada offer some of the best opportunities to witness this breathtaking event. For many travelers, seeing the Northern Lights is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Table Mountain. Rising above Cape Town, Table Mountain is one of the most recognizable mountains in the world. Its unique flat summit makes it instantly recognizable. Standing more than 1,000 meters above sea level, it offers panoramic views of the surrounding coastline, city, and ocean. The mountain is also home to an incredible variety of plant species found nowhere else on Earth. Its unusual shape and dramatic location make it one of Africa's most iconic natural landmarks. Victoria Falls is one of the largest waterfalls in the world. Located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, the falls stretch for more than 1.7 kilometers. The amount of water crashing over the edge is almost unbelievable. During peak flow, millions of liters of water plunge into the gorge every second. The resulting mist can be seen from kilometers away. Local communities have long referred to the falls as the smoke that thunders. And once you hear the roar of the water, it's easy to understand why. 5. Monument Valley. Monument Valley looks like a place created for cinema. Located in the American Southwest, the region is famous for its massive sandstone formations rising from the desert floor. These giant rock towers have become symbols of the Wild West and appear in countless movies and documentaries. The landscape feels timeless. Endless roads stretch through the desert while towering formations dominate the horizon. Few places are as instantly recognizable as Monument Valley. Number 4. The Norwegian Fjords. The Norwegian fjords are among the most dramatic landscapes on Earth. Created by glaciers over thousands of years, these deep waterways cut through massive mountain ranges. Towering cliffs rise directly from the water, while waterfalls cascade down steep rock faces. Tiny villages sit quietly along the shoreline, surrounded by some of the most spectacular scenery in Europe. The scale of the fjords is difficult to comprehend until you see them in person. They represent one of nature's greatest engineering achievements. Mount Kilimanjaro is the tallest mountain in Africa. Standing nearly 6,000 meters above sea level, it rises dramatically above the surrounding plains of Tanzania. What makes Kilimanjaro especially unique is its location. Despite being close to the equator, its summit remains covered in snow and ice. The mountain dominates the landscape for hundreds of kilometers. Climbing Kilimanjaro has become one of the world's most famous trekking adventures. Its size, beauty, and uniqueness make it one of Earth's greatest natural wonders. Number 2. Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is one of the most famous landscapes in the world. Carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, this enormous canyon stretches across Arizona. The dimensions are staggering, hundreds of kilometers long and over a kilometer deep in some areas. The layers of exposed rock reveal nearly 2 billion years of geological history. At sunrise and sunset, the canyon transforms into a sea of red, orange, and gold. Photographs are impressive. At number 1 stands the highest mountain on Earth, Mount Everest. Rising 8,149 meters above sea level, Everest towers above every other mountain on the planet. Located in the Himalayas on the border between Nepal and China, it has become the ultimate symbol of exploration and human achievement. Its snow-covered summit remains one of the most recognizable natural landmarks in the world. For climbers, reaching the top represents one of the greatest challenges imaginable. For everyone else, Everest serves as a reminder of the immense power and scale of nature. Our planet is filled with incredible places, but these natural wonders stand above the rest. They remind us of the beauty, power, and diversity of the world we live in. From giant waterfalls and underwater ecosystems to towering mountains and ancient canyons, each of these places tells a story millions of years in the making. Which natural wonder impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible destinations from around the world.